Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a YouTube lecture into handwritten PDF notes for free using AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for YouTube to transcript. From the search results, open the first website. This tool lets you quickly extract the transcript from any YouTube video. Now, copy the YouTube lecture link that you want to convert into notes. Paste the link into the transcript website. Next, click on the Get Free Transcript button. Within a few seconds, the complete transcript of the YouTube lecture will appear on your screen. Now, copy the entire transcript. Next, open ChatGPT and paste the copied transcript into the chat. Then ask ChatGPT to convert the transcript into well-structured lecture notes with proper headings, subheadings, explanations, key points, and examples so the content is easy to understand and revise. Once ChatGPT generates the organized lecture notes, copy the entire response. Now, open Gemini in a new tab and paste the formatted lecture notes. After pasting the content, simply add the word Canvas to your prompt and press Enter. Gemini will process the content and generate free AI handwritten style notes based on your lecture. Once the handwritten notes are ready, you can review them and save or download them as a PDF for studying later. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more AI tools, study hacks, and technology tutorials.